Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Verify the console model and firmware so you know which procedure will apply. Once confirmed, back up all save files to external storage or cloud to avoid data loss. Next, enable the developer or local admin account required to change system features. Without that access, you cannot complete the disable. You do this early because it prevents roadblocks later and makes the rest of the steps possible. Proceed immediately to accessing the system settings interface for the specific disable option. You now locate the precise setting. Go to Settings, then System, and open Console Features or the Developer menu. Once there, identify the ISIC service or process and inspect any dependencies so you know what else may be affected. Then change its status to Disabled or revoke execution permissions for the ISIC binary. You may need to edit a config file or use the console's permissions UI. Make sure to apply and confirm the change. This prevents the service from restarting automatically and avoids unexpected behavior. You finish by rebooting the console to ensure ISIC stays inactive across restarts. This verifies the disable was successful. Once rebooted, test typical functions to confirm no critical features were unintentionally affected, and restore any necessary settings if you see problems. If ISIC still runs or the system shows errors, check system logs for permission or dependency failures, then revert the change and retry with adjusted steps. That single troubleshooting tip will save you time. Always inspect logs before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.